This video provides a few more tools that you guys can use to help you quickly find articles that may or may not be available in the library databases. So I've just done a search for childhood cancer in EBSCOhost, and I found an article that is not available in EBSCOhost. As you can see, it has the request this item through interlibrary loan, but I am going to go ahead and just copy the title of this article and paste it into Google Scholar, and the URL for that is just scholar.google.com. And as you can see, there is a freely available online version of this article. Those links will pop up right here, and you can go ahead and click on it. And this one has HTML full text, so you can just read it here in your browser, or you can download it as a PDF. I have a few more tools I've downloaded onto Chrome. They're called Chrome extensions, and you can actually see one at work right now. This is the Unpaywall button, and since it has a green icon with an unlocked lock, that means this is freely available online. Then the other one that I often use is the open access button, and this does basically the same thing that the unpaywall button does. It will search for a freely available version of the article that you're on, but if it can't find it, it will prompt you to contact the author or authors and see if they would be willing to send it to you. The other extension that I like to use is actually the Google Scholar button, because this way all you have to do is click on the button and you can go search for the article without ever leaving the browser screen that you're in. And so if you go onto the Chrome Web Store and just search for extensions by name, such as Google Scholar, you can go ahead and download that right onto Chrome. They also are available on Firefox. So if you just search for Firefox extensions, you can find the store to download those onto your browser. All right, I hope those help out. And these are really great for if you don't have time or you just don't want to wait for a librarian to fill an interlibrary loan request. I'm not saying that all of the articles that are not in our databases will be on Google Scholar, but it's another place to look.